Dialogue between Ria and Sarah discussing the potluck party.
How about we organize a potluck this weekend?
That sounds fun. Should we make it a vegetarian potluck?
Yes, that's a great idea. Everyone can bring their favorite veggie dish.
Perfect. Should we decide a theme or just keep it casual?
Let's keep it casual. Just bring whatever you like.
All right. How many people are we inviting?
I was thinking 10 to 12 people. What do you think?
That's a good number. Not too big, not too small.
Do we have a venue in mind?
How about my place? I have enough space for everyone.
That's perfect. Thanks for offering.
What time should we start?
Maybe around 6 p.m. That gives everyone enough time to prepare.
Sounds good to me.
What are you planning to bring?
I was thinking of making a veggie lasagna. What about you?
I'll bring a mixed veggie stir-fry.
That's great. Should we have a dessert section too?
Oh yes. I can make a fruit salad for dessert.
What about drinks?
Let's keep it simple, maybe juice and soda?
Perfect. We can also have water and herbal tea.
Do we need any decorations?
We can keep it simple. Maybe a few flowers and candles?
Love that idea. It'll make the space cozy.
Should we have some music in the background?
Yes, I'll create a soft playlist. Nothing too loud.
Do you think we'll need extra plates and utensils?
I have enough, but I'll ask others to bring some just in case.
What about seating arrangements?
We can have a mix of chairs, cushions, and a picnic-style setup.
Should we assign dishes to avoid duplicates?
Good idea. We can create a group chat and ask everyone to share what they're bringing.
What if someone isn't sure what to cook?
We can suggest easy options like salads, soups, or pasta.
Are we including appetizers?
Yes, maybe some veggie skewers or dips with chips.
Do we need to consider food allergies?
Absolutely. We should ask everyone in the group chat.
Should we have games or activities?
That's a great idea. Maybe something simple like charades or board games.
Do you think we should take pictures?
Definitely. It'll be a fun memory to share later.
Should we label the dishes?
Yes, especially if someone brings something unique or spicy.
Are you excited about the potluck?
I can't wait. It's going to be so much fun.
Thanks for hosting this, by the way.
My pleasure. It'll be great to have everyone together.
Do you think we missed anything?
I think we're all set. Let's send out the invites.
Okay, I'll create the group chat now.
Great. Let's finalize everything there.
This potluck is going to be amazing.
For sure. I'm already looking forward to all the food.
All right, let's get started with the planning.
Yes. Let's make it the best veg potluck ever.
Thanks for teaming up with me on this.
Should we send out invitations today?
Yes, the sooner, the better. Everyone can plan ahead.
What platform should we use to send invites?
Maybe WhatsApp or email? What's easier for everyone?
WhatsApp is quicker. Let's go with that.
Should we include a list of dish ideas in the invite?
Great idea. It'll help people decide what to bring.
Do you think people will bring enough food?
I'm sure they will. But we can make backup snacks just in case.
Should we ask people to bring serving utensils with their dishes?
Yes, that'll make serving much easier.
Should we set up a food table or buffet?
A buffet sounds more convenient for a group.
What about keeping the food warm?
We can use hot plates or ask people to bring insulated dishes.
Are we labeling the dishes vegetarian or vegan?
Yes, that's a good idea. It'll help everyone choose easily.
Should we include a tasting session?
That would be fun. Everyone can rate their favorite dish.
How long should the potluck last?
Maybe 3 to 4 hours. That should be enough time to eat and relax.
Should we ask everyone to introduce their dishes?
Yes, it'll be nice to know what each person made.
Are kids allowed to join?
Absolutely. It'll be a family-friendly event.
Do you think we should have a Best Dish Award?
That's a great idea. It'll make things more exciting.
Should we set up a potluck photo booth?
Yes. That would be a fun addition.
Should we arrange for takeaway boxes?
Good idea. Everyone can take home leftovers.
What if someone doesn't cook?
They can bring drinks, snacks, or even paper plates.
Should we have a sign-in sheet for guests?
That's smart. We can track who came and what they brought.
What about a cleanup plan?
Let's ask everyone to help out a bit before they leave.
Do we need to consider parking for everyone?
Yes, let's share parking instructions in the invite.
Should we remind people about dietary preferences?
Yes, especially if anyone avoids gluten, nuts, or dairy.
Are we including traditional dishes?
Sure. It'll be fun to have a mix of cultural foods.
Should we play some group games after dinner?
Yes, maybe trivia or Pictionary.
Are we setting a dress code?
Casual works, or we can suggest bright and colorful for fun.
Should we assign someone to manage the food table?
Yes, that'll keep things organized.
What if someone cancels last minute?
No worries. We'll still have plenty of food and fun.
Should we have a theme for the dishes?
Like Asian veggie feast or farm to table? That could work.
Do we need extra chairs or tables?
I'll check. If needed, I can borrow some from my neighbors.
Should we assign someone to take pictures?
Should we send a reminder on the day of the potluck?
Yes, maybe around noon, just to confirm everything.
I think this potluck will be amazing.
I know, right? It's going to be so much fun.